Every garage job has little slowdowns, from stubborn bolts to awkward angles and messy cleanup. Today, we are checking out 20 new garage tools built to make those problems easier with better reach, sharper control, and smoother handling. Whether you wrench every day or just on weekends, there's something here worth seeing. Let's dive in. Chasing electrical faults gets a lot easier with the right tester, and the Icon Professional Display Unit is built for quick answers without the guesswork. Safe for modern vehicles, it draws less than 10 milliamps, helping protect sensitive modules while still reading from 3 to 49 volts direct current. A clear digital display shows exact voltage, while polarity lights instantly reveal positive or negative connections. The stainless steel probe feels durable in hand, and the coiled cord gives enough reach to move comfortably around the vehicle. Extra interchangeable tips make the Icon tester even more versatile, whether you need to pierce insulation or clip onto connectors. Even the case pulls double duty as a parts tray, keeping tiny screws and clips from disappearing during the job. For fast circuit checks, this is a seriously handy garage tool. Prep work makes a big difference, and the Greets Garage Wash Bucket keeps things smarter by separating clean and dirty water in one container. The removable divider stops grit from mixing back in, protecting paint and tools, while lower grates trap heavier debris. 6 gallons of capacity give plenty of room, and built-in measuring marks make soap mixing quick and easy. Optional add-ons like a tool caddy or rolling base make it simple to move around the garage. Perfect for car washing, parts cleaning, or tool cleanup, this bucket might sound simple, but it keeps water cleaner longer and helps prevent scratches, quietly supporting better finish quality every time. Brake bleeding gets way less frustrating when one tool can handle the pressure, and the Aries 2-liter manual pressure bleeder is made exactly for that. Perfect for one-person use, it lets you service brakes without needing someone in the driver's seat pumping the pedal. The hand pump builds pressure smoothly, while the built-in gauge helps you stay in control the entire time. Its corrosion-resistant reservoir is made to handle brake fluid reliably over the long run, and the included 42mm adapter fits many European vehicles along with several others. Fluid flows evenly through the system to push trapped air out cleanly, making it great for both disc and drum brake setups. The Aries pressure bleeder really shines during careful brake work where steady pressure and patience make all the difference. Stuck parts don't stand a chance once the Astro tool's Stubby air slide hammer gets involved. Powered by compressed air, it delivers up to 1,200 blows per minute, giving the same hard-hitting pull of a heavy manual slide hammer, but with far less strain on your body. The compact body makes it perfect for tight engine bays and cramped suspension work, while the included extension rod adds extra reach when space opens up. Standard 5/8" threads mean most common slide hammer attachments fit right on without needing extra adapters. A lever-style throttle keeps the force easy to control, helping protect nearby components while still breaking stubborn parts loose. Running best at 90 pounds per square inch, the Astro tool's slide hammer turns frustrating removal jobs into something much faster and easier. Nothing kills a simple inspection faster than a weak hood strut trying to drop on your hands, and the Lisle lift support clamp fixes that with a smart, no-nonsense design. It locks onto the strut shaft to hold hoods or tailgates fully open, adding instant safety while you work underneath. A built-in magnet keeps it steady during setup, making it quick to position, while the alumino body helps prevent damage to the shaft surface. Brass threads make adjustments smooth and add extra protection where it counts. The bright reminder flag is a great touch too, giving you a clear visual cue to remove the Lisle clamp before closing anything. Designed to fit lift supports up to 9/16 of an inch, it's a simple tool that quietly adds serious peace of mind in the garage. Car diagnostics feel a lot less intimidating when the SPARQ AI monitor turns complex codes into clear answers. Built to scan thousands of systems, it handles both generic and manufacturer-specific trouble codes while explaining everything in plain language. What makes the SPARQ AI stand out is how naturally it fits into garage work, letting you talk to it, record strange sounds, and get human-style feedback instead of raw data overload. It also builds a full vehicle history with past issues, recalls, and maintenance timelines, while predictive alerts help you stay ahead of repairs instead of reacting late. Support for newer gas, diesel, and hybrid vehicles makes it a strong fit for modern garages, and the no-subscription approach keeps ownership refreshingly simple. More than just a scanner, it helps you actually understand what your car is telling you. Working with push and pull systems is only half the battle, and the Power-TEC Accessory Kit gives you the control you really need. Packed with clamps, supports, pins, and extensions, it adapts to different panels and repair angles, so every adjustment counts when straightening or aligning. Extensions add reach, while brackets and feet distribute force evenly for cleaner pulls. Everything fits neatly in the molded case, keeping parts organized and easy to grab mid-job. Designed for serious body and frame work, this kit prioritizes precision over speed, giving professionals the flexibility to get perfect alignment without makeshift solutions. Every garage faces the challenge of dirty parts piling up, and the SCA parts washer keeps the mess under control. It holds up to 12 liters of cleaning fluid, enough for small and medium components, while the recirculating pump sends fluid through a flexible spout to target grime precisely. A removable work shelf lets debris fall away instead of sticking to cleaned parts, and the sturdy steel body with powder-coated finish stands up to long-term use. Low power draw means it runs easily on home outlets, making it perfect for brackets, bolts, carburetor parts, and mower components. It is not built for large assemblies, but for smaller parts, this washer delivers cleanliness and organization that makes reassembly faster and more reliable. Front-end repairs get a lot smoother when tools protect parts instead of causing damage, and the Ares front-end service set is built for control. It covers pitman arms, ball joints, and tie rods, handling most steering service needs with precision. The press-style ball joint separator removes joints without tearing boots, saving money and hassle, while two pitman arm pullers fit different vehicle sizes, and tie rod tools work on both imports and domestics. Strong steel construction feels solid, and everything fits neatly in the included case for easy access. Designed for steady pressure and proper alignment, this kit encourages careful, clean work, making steering repairs in the garage safer and more reliable. Bolts disappearing into tight engine spaces are no match for the Tool Pro pickup tool. Its long, flexible shaft bends around hoses, brackets, and wiring, while the magnetic tip grabs fasteners instantly. The molded handle feels comfortable, and there's no power or setup, just reach, guide, and retrieve. Lightweight but reliable, it saves time and frustration over and over, working perfectly around engines, under dashboards, and near subframes. Simple by design, this tool earns its keep through constant use, and once it's in your garage, you quickly wonder how you ever managed without it. Stubborn fasteners under the car demand leverage, and this long ratchet gives plenty of it. Stretching out to 26 inches, it lets you apply serious torque without risking your hands or jumping on the handle. The head houses an 80-tooth gear with a tight 4.5-degree swing, perfect for cramped suspension and drivetrain spots, while the split pawl design engages multiple teeth to spread the load and feel solid under pressure. Fully sealed, the head keeps grit and grime out, and the comfort grip makes long sessions easier on your hands. It's on the heavier side, but that weight brings control, durability, and confidence when bolts refuse to budge. Tight engine bays and cramped firewall spots need reach more than brute force, and this cordless ratchet delivers. The longer neck slips past hoses and brackets, saving time and frustration,
while 40 foot-pounds of torque and up to 275 revolutions per minute make it feel almost like a classic air ratchet. The variable paddle trigger gives precise control on delicate threads, and the built-in LED lights up shadowed bolts. All metal gearing feels solid, and the rubber overmold keeps your grip steady even with gloves. This ratchet isn't for breaking loose rusted fasteners. It shines as a speed tool for teardown and reassembly, where compact reach and smooth operation make all the difference.
Damage stops when you have the right hammer, and the Aries 3-piece dead blow hammer set nails control and reduced rebound. Shot-filled heads deliver force into each strike instead of bouncing back, protecting hands and wrists during longer jobs. The set covers light to heavy work with 13-ounce, 26-ounce, and 45-ounce hammers, perfect for alignment, suspension, or body panels. One-piece polyurethane construction resists cracking and splitting, while textured, contoured handles keep your grip solid even with oily hands. Balanced, durable, and ready for the garage, these hammers make precise strikes feel effortless. Tight spaces where normal impacts feel bulky are exactly where the Astro Tools Nano Flex Head Impact shines. With a head just over 3 inches long, it slips between brackets, suspension parts, or brake components with ease. The flex head rotates up to 180 degrees, and the handle swivels fully, letting you line up every strike perfectly. Power stays strong, delivering up to 400 foot-pounds through a twin hammer setup that hits solid without getting out of control. Front exhaust keeps air away from your face and work area, and while it is not a general-purpose impact, it excels in tight brakes and chassis work, where reach, precision, and control really matter. Hidden problems become obvious with the top-down thermal camera, turning heat into a clear story. Its 256 by 192 sensor captures hot spots, cold areas, and uneven heat patterns, making issues like overheating bearings, electrical resistance, cooling problems, or exhaust flow easy to see. Sensitive enough to catch subtle temperature changes, it works across a wide range of conditions, from cold starts to high heat areas. Long battery life keeps it running through extended sessions, and the rugged body stands up to dust, splashes, and minor drops. Perfect for pros and enthusiasts alike, this camera helps you understand what is really happening under the hood without guesswork. Plastic fixes stop being temporary once you use the Polyvance Mini Weld system. It treats plastic like a real structural material, heating up quickly with adjustable temperature to make the material flow properly. The kit includes different welding rods to match repairs for strength and durability, while reinforcing mesh adds extra support for cracked areas. Perfect for bumpers, brackets, tabs, and interior parts, it gives reliable results that hold up over time. Compact and organized in its case, the Polyvance Mini Weld moves easily between jobs and focuses on strong, lasting repairs instead of quick cosmetic patches. Removing or installing power steering pulleys gets simple with the Aries service set, giving controlled pressure without risking damage. It fits several common hub sizes, covering many domestic vehicles, and centers itself on the pulley to apply even force so nothing goes crooked. Plastic pulleys benefit most as they crack easily under stress, and the included quick disconnect tool for GM lines adds extra versatility. Everything stores neatly in one case, keeping the process organized. Not flashy, but when you need precision, this set handles the job cleanly, saving time and avoiding costly mistakes during steering work in the garage. Tight spots and awkward angles are no match for the flex socket set, built for moments where a regular socket just won't line up. Each piece has a built-in flex joint, letting it move slightly while gripping fasteners securely, and the 6-point design hugs the flats to reduce rounding on small bolts.
Sizes run from 5mm to 15mm, covering interior work, sensors, and light mechanical jobs. Chrome vanadium steel feels solid, the mirror finish cleans easily after greasy tasks, and stamped markings stay readable even with oily hands. This set doesn't replace standard sockets, but it bridges the gap when straight access disappears, making tricky jobs far easier. Quick cleanup makes repairs last longer, and this portable parts washer does it without hauling a full pressure system. Running on a rechargeable battery with a 12-liter tank, it rolls right next to the car for instant use. Pressure hits about 72 pounds per square inch, gentle enough for engine bays, wheels, and tools, yet strong enough to tackle grease and dirt. Foldable design keeps storage easy, and the water-resistant build handles splashes without worry. With runtime close to 35 minutes, it covers most spot cleaning jobs, making it perfect for regular maintenance and everyday garage cleanup rather than heavy stripping work. Every serious garage needs reliable support, and these jack stands are built for safety and stability. The ratchet bar locks securely at each height step, making it easy to adjust both sides evenly, while a double locking pin adds another layer of security once the height is set. Heavy-duty steel construction feels solid in hand, and the wide base spreads weight evenly on concrete floors, reducing the risk of tipping. Their height range fits most cars and light trucks for everyday garage work. They're not lightweight, but that weight is intentional. It gives confidence and peace of mind when sliding under a vehicle. Knowing your car is supported properly lets you focus fully on the job, whether it's suspension work, brake service, or general maintenance. These jack stands turn what could feel risky into a steady, reliable foundation for all your undercar projects. That wraps up today's lineup. Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more garage and tool videos coming your way.